Wake up but I feel nothing, like I'm drifting through the day. All the things that used to matter slowly fade away. I've been searching for a reason, trying just to understand. But the more I try to hold it, it just slips out of my hands. I don't feel your presence, but I'm calling out your name. Even in this silence, I believe you're still the same. When nothing makes sense, Jesus, you remain. When I feel lost in the dark, God, you light the way. When I don't feel anything, still I choose to believe. Jesus, hold on to my heart when I can't even feel you near. I'm tired of pretending like I'm okay inside. There's a weight I can't explain that I just can't hide. God, if you are listening, meet me in this place. Fill the empty spaces with your love and grace. You don't leave when I'm empty. You don't walk when I'm lost. Jesus, stay in the silence, no matter the cost. When nothing makes sense, Jesus, you remain. Even here in the dark, God, you make a way. When I don't feel anything, still I choose to believe.